Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open the app drawer and locate the app you want to show on your home screen. Long press the app icon for 1 to 2 seconds until a small menu or grab state appears. Look for Add to Home or Create Shortcut in the menu that appears. If you still do not see the app, go to Settings, then Apps to confirm the app is installed and enabled on the device. Drag the app icon from the drawer and place it on the home screen grid where you want it to appear. Position the icon by dragging it to the desired spot and then release to drop it into place. If space is not available, use a 2-finger pinch gesture to zoom out and create room, or move other icons to free a slot. Test the icon by tapping it once to make sure the app opens correctly. Create a custom shortcut or widget by long pressing the app and choosing Widget or Shortcut from the menu. To restore missing icons, open Settings, then Apps, and confirm the app is enabled and allowed to show on home. If an icon image needs changing, install a launcher or icon pack and apply it from the Launcher Settings menu. After customizing, tap the icon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.